Hey, it's Sarah with the Happy Hootie, and I'm here to show you about a great mom hack that I found online. So my kids always end up with little sores on their feet or their hands or wherever, and because feet get sweaty and hands get sweaty, your band-aids don't stick and they end up just flopping all around. Well, I found this great, it's a self-adhesive tape that you can just get on Amazon, and the kids love it. Lots of different reasons. One, it doesn't hurt them. It's just tape that only sticks to itself, so it doesn't pull off and hurt them. And two, they can pick whatever color they want. So like here's one of the boxes we got, and they can, if it's outside where people can see them, they can pick out their favorite color. And they don't really fight me on putting it on because it's fun, it doesn't hurt, and it keeps their boo-boo all covered up. So real easy to use. You just grab it, pull off. You don't need a scissors at all. It just easily tears with your hand. We're gonna kind of push the Band-Aid down on there just a little bit to hold it in place. And then you just wrap it around. Don't put it on there too tight where it's gonna hurt your kid, but just like any other bandage that you put on, just lightly wrap it on there to where it'll stay. Push down and it adheres to itself. Throw the sock on. Now the Band-Aid will stay on. It'll be just fine. Whenever they are tired of it, they want to take a shower, they want to do whatever, it just comes right off. So now he's ready to go play. It's flexible, so it'll move with him. So if you do have to put it around the knee or something like that, you can get it around there without hurting him at all. Does not hurt. This stuff is amazing, and it's really cheap, but really to get it online for how much it's worth, highly recommend it. Great hack to keep Band-Aids on. What do you think?
What?
You liked it? All right. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.
Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Goodbye.